Because who I am should make you feel a little bit insecure about who you are. It should make you wonder, are you on your square? It should make you wonder, are you really giving your best? Because when I come into the room, everybody ought to step their game up. So
So I know I've already showed you my wash day routine. So now I am about to show you my winter wash day routine. Or winter wash routine. It's a little bit different from my summer one, but you guys will see that in the video. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.
Okay, you guys, so I will be wetting my hair. Make sure it get all nice and wet. Actually, I'm rinsing the L.Y.F.E mask out of my hair as well. Okay, so now I will be going in with my Ozzy 3-minute miracle. This stuff gives your hair so much moisture, so much slip. I'm talking about your fingers will literally glide through your hair once you put this product on. And make sure, like I said before, make sure it's on wet hair, not dry hair. And I just went ahead and took down my twists because they were unraveling anyway. So I just went ahead and just took them down. And also so I can make sure I get all of the product on all the strands of my hair. And as you can see, I will be giving myself some nice size amounts of this product just to make sure it's spread it evenly over my whole head. Look at those curls. And next I will be just doing the same thing I did for the other side to this side. This makes detangling your hair a breeze. Your finger will literally glide through this. And as you can see, this is exactly what I started off with. Pay close attention. Yes, honey, look at those curls. Okay. Now I'm just breaking it through. Getting product all over, including those ends. Okay, now I'm just gonna be pinned in one side up. And again, I'm gonna pin the front up. Then I'm just gonna rake the product through the back. Okay, that section is detangled. Once I detangle them, of course, I'm going to go ahead and twist them up. Each section I detangle, then I go ahead and twist it up. Just to let the product be sitting while I'm still working the rest of the product through my head. Okay, now the product is all in my hair. I will be, of course, rinsing it. I believe the product was in my hair for about, I want to say about 5 to 10 minutes. And I went ahead and rinsed it out. Now next step, I will be going in with my shampoo of choice, and notice that I'm only putting the shampoo on my scalp. Now this is what works for me. Everybody does what works for them, so do what works for you, but I would just be putting it on my scalp. And as the water runs down, it will rinse out on the ends, which is the oldest part of my hair, which is why I normally don't put soap on the ends of my hair. But yes, I'll just be rinsing it out, squeezing it out. I don't know why I'm being so dramatic like that. I guess the product got in my face. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my deep conditioner, which is like a hair mask. It's 10-in-1 by Shea Moisture. It's 10-in-1 by Shea Moisture. This is my favorite deep hair deep conditioner. And I'm very generous with it, as you can see, getting it from the ends of my hair all the way up to the roots. And I'm just gonna twist it up. And so guys, you can leave this in your hair for about 30 minutes. If you do that, then you need to apply heat. But however, I 9 times out of 10 I sleep in my deep conditioner just so it can do what it needs to do for my hair, and it's always worked for me. Like, I don't know what works for you, but at the end of the day, you do what's best for you and your hair. You can try to do it overnight like I do, or you can 10-15 minutes under a dryer and then be done with it. So I'm just raking it through, making sure I get it on all the parts of my hair. Once that is complete, I'll be then twisting it up just like I did the previous one. I literally do the same thing for all 4 sections. Oh, and I forgot to mention, not only do I do the mask, the hair mask, I also go in with oil, any oil of your choice. Like right now I'm using vitamin E, but sometimes I use argan oil. It really don't matter the oil, coconut oil, whichever one that works best for you, you use that one. I normally just grab grapeseed oil, avocado oil. I normally just, whatever is in my view, that's what I grab. Yeah, I don't know why this little section of my hair gives me the hardest time. I really don't. But it's all good. I have to put my little oil in there. I have to go back and do that. But you guys, after I'm all done, I just take a plastic cap, put it on my head, and I am definitely done. So this is the end of my video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.